Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be going over a few things today. I got some items from Sephora and one of them is a hair cream. We have Fenty Hair, the Home Curl Defining Cream. I'm going to try that. And I got some makeup. I'm just going to get ready, put a full face on because I have to go somewhere anyway. I'll just show you the things that are newer. This I got in my Ipsy and I'm using it because I really like it. It's a complexion booster and it just makes you look nice and glowy and shiny. In the summer I would use this more. I don't think I had it this summer. I had it last summer. Now the main reason for my Sephora purchase is to try a new foundation, and I saw this Huda Beauty Easy Blur Natural Airbrush foundation and it looked really good, and I'm going to tell you I made a short on it and I loved it. I did it with a sponge. I'm going to do it today with a brush. I'll do half my face. This was beautiful. It's buildable, so if you want more or less, and it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like a heavy foundation. It never looked cakey or thick. It was just really lightweight. Look at that. It's so nice. Oh my god, this might be one of my favorite new foundations. I'm not even kidding. Ooh, love it, love it, love it. I'm setting it with my Laura Mercier because it's good. The weather has been so nice. Oh my god, I hope you guys in Florida are okay. There was a crazy hurricane. It literally like worried me all night. But I kept seeing the power of all of us getting together and pushing that out back into the ocean. And I think we did it because I know I tried. The power of prayer is unbelievable. I happen to have this, I think this is also from Ipsy. This is also from Huda Beauty, so I thought it'd be fitting, in medium. This is a pressed powder. And I used this also in the short when I tried the foundation, and I loved it. I loved it together. I really like this bronzer a lot. I'm back to bronzer because it's fall. I did the summer blush, but every now and then I'll do blush, but I'm definitely a bronzer person more. Colors go better with me. Like my skin, my hair, everything, than the reds and the blushes. This is not new for my eyebrows. I remember liking this and I pulled it out again because I used it the last few days and I really like it. This is Maybelline Build-A-Brow. It looks like a felt tip. I mean, it is a felt tip, but it looks like an eyeliner felt tip. It's for your brows, and I find that the precision is really good. The only thing is it comes with like a little liquid in here, which I'm embarrassed to say is like, looks dirty, but it's foundation like that had went on my eyebrow. It doesn't apply. Like, I picture a black felt tip. Like, imagine doing that to my eyebrows. But look, it's really light. And I literally just create little lines to look like little brows. I do think this is running out. So maybe it's lighter than when you first purchased it. But even then. Makeup Forever Professional Paris had this Artist Color Pencil Magic Minis. I got them because I thought it was cute and it was probably inexpensive. I'll post everything below. I know I never do the Sephora VIP sales, etc. because I don't want anything at the time. I don't want to buy something just because it's a sale. I just kind of shop when I want to shop. I'm sorry guys. I know I'm so sweet. Helping you with those sales. But look, I don't know if these are for eyes, lips, or both. I have a feeling both. It is for both. Look. I always used to use my eyeliner for my lip liner. I think I said that recently. Okay, so this is very exciting because look at these different colors. I don't usually draw my arm, but I guess I have to. Oh yes, goes on wonderfully. That's what always my concern is. A crayon, back in the day we used to have to heat them up to match. Yes, love these. And they're small, compact. I'm going to put a lip liner in every single room. In my bag, in every bag. And then obviously this is for your eyes more. Those are nice. I don't know how to say this, so this is what I got. If this is not my kind of color, and I don't know what is. I don't want to do shimmer today. I'm going to be playing with this like all month probably, so you'll see me do different looks. I'll do some shorts and everything. I could do such more of a bolder look, but I really don't want to go bold today, so we're gonna leave it like this, and look out for some fall looks with that because there's a lot of different looks I could do. How exciting. I just grabbed this Better Than Sex mascara because I want to get rid of the ones that I have. But I like it. I just don't want really big clumpy. And I think this normally would have been, but it's probably like halfway out. I remember being obsessed with the first Better Than Sex mascara, the pink one. I was like, oh my god, this stuff is amazing. But honestly, I mean, no, some mascaras are better than others. And I hate putting mascara on because you really should take your time with it. And if you get it on your eyes, remember, do not rub it off. Use a spoolie, like a plain eyebrow brush. It'll come right off at the end. If you just build up most mascara is buildable. That's what I like. You could go light, natural, or you can, if you're going out, just keep putting it on. It happens. But don't get a wet rag and don't try and take it off because you're going to take all the makeup off too. Just take one of these. It's still there, but that was a big one. So I'll have to just... Okay, now I have these. Oh, you know what? The white one? I rarely did it, but we'll put a little bit on the inside. I'm going to go like around here with my lips. Hey, come on. There's nothing there. That goes on so nice. Love it. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a long video, so let me get to the hair now. Love everything I got. Love the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. All right, let me go do my hair. I'm gonna show you as I put it in. I did my roots, look. Oh no, I hope I didn't do it too dark. My hairdresser gave me the best advice. She goes, just go on your roots, on your gray. Only touch your gray. Because I always used to try and think if I blend it down, and no. The Home Curl. The Home Curl Defining Cream. I forgot I'm going out. This better work. I know everybody's panicking. You have curls. You straightened all your curls out. No, I didn't. Look. It smelled nice right away, but I have a feeling this is going to bother me if it's too strong. So hopefully when I dry it, it won't be as strong. It's like now starting to smell like powder, like that powder smell that I can't stand in some products. No, sit down. Okay, product is in. I'm gonna go dry my hair and I'll be right back. Wowza, those are nice curls. Look at this. It has a nice hold. It's not like as if it's a cream, but you know how sometimes creams and leave-ins are a little too soft so they don't hold your hair. This has a nice little extra hold to it, not feeling like a gel because it's not crunchy, but it has a nice hold, if that makes sense. And yet it's still soft. The smell is still there, but I like the smell. It's on borderline of a little more and it would have been too much, but it's fresh, very fresh smell. It's almost on the borderline of the powder though. Yeah, really nice curls. Should I go darker for the fall? I kind of, you know what? This is just, I like this color on me. I think I'm just going to stick with it. Are my roots too dark? No? They're still gray. I know I didn't leave it on long enough because I get paranoid when I see how dark it gets and I'm like, oh, I screwed up again. I take it off. But I meant to get a root touch-up. I don't know why I got a whole coloring kit. I didn't have the time for that. I literally just wanted the 10-minute one. So I screwed that up. I'm going to have to get another one. But I'll just put a little of my powder on. I have so many. I have the spray, I have a powder, you name it. I got this covered with the gray. I'm gonna go on with my day. It's me in the back there. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to remember to check in when I get home, actually. That's what I'll do tonight. True test, because I'll be out, and I will check in to see how well the hair stood up. And this foundation, look at how flawless. It's like flawless. It literally is my new favorite. And it's light. Listen, by the way, the lips pencils, I loved it, but I like a little moisture to it, so I added my Milani. Keep it full. Okay, guys. I hope to remember to check in with you later. See you in a bit.